Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sachin B. Mangale, working as an assistant professor, Department of Chemistry, GM Medak College of Science, Tala. Now today's discussion, the name of the topic, some important compounds, that is the NaSCO3, Na2CO3, NaCl, and last that is the NaOH. The content of the today's discussion: sodium bicarbonate, sodium carbonate, sodium chloride, and NaOH. First, we will discuss the sodium bicarbonates. Here, the molecular formula of the sodium bicarbonate is NaHCO3. And what is the sodium bicarbonate? Sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate has a monoclinic crystalline structure. The Nicholas Levins and French chemists produced sodium carbonate in the year 1791. In the year 1846, Austin Churchill and John Dewey bakers of New York started the first factory to produce the baking soda. It is a white solid crystalline chemical compound, usually in its powder form. The salt is composed of sodium ions and bicarbonates ions. Its molecular formula is NaHCO3. Sodium bicarbonate is a weak base. It is commonly called as baking soda and used in cooking. The sodium bicarbonate its pH values is about 8.31. The next point, the properties of the sodium bicarbonates. The sodium bicarbonate, the chemical formula NaHCO3. Molecular weight or molar mass of the sodium bicarbonates is 84.0066 grams per mole. Its density in solid form 2.20 grams per centimeter cubes. In the powder form 1.1 to 1.3. The sodium bicarbonate, its boiling points 851 degrees centigrade. Its melting points of the sodium bicarbonate is 50 degrees centigrade. And these are the physical properties of the sodium bicarbonate. Then the structures of the sodium bicarbonates. Here the sodium bicarbonates molecules features one sodium cation and one carbonate anion. Here an ionic bond is formed between the positively charged sodium ion and negatively charged oxygen ion, which is slightly bonded the central carbon and not bonded to the hydrogen atom. And see the structures of the sodium bicarbonates. Then uses of sodium bicarbonate. It is used as a pest control to kill cockroaches and controlling fungal growth. Sodium bicarbonate, it is an disinfectant. Sodium bicarbonate, it is used to protect from bad smell and irritation. It is used as cooking, especially to bake food items. Sodium bicarbonate used in medicines to be injected intravenously to the prevention of the chemotherapy side effect. Sodium bicarbonate used to wash kitchen products due to its antibacterial property. And last, it is used to have clean teeth and mouth. The next important compound, that is the name of the sodium carbonate. It's the molecular formula Na2CO3. Sodium carbonate, also known as washing soda, soda ash, and soda crystal. It is the inorganic compound with the formula Na2CO3 and its various hydrates. All forms are white, water-soluble salts that yield moderately alkaline solution in water. Historically, it was extracted from the ashes of plants growing in sodium-rich soils because the ashes of these sodium-rich plants were noticeably different from ashes of wood once used to produce potash. sodium carbonate becomes known as soda ash. These are the properties of sodium carbonate and structures of the Na2CO3. At the room temperature, sodium carbonate is an colorless grayish white powder which is hygroscopic. This means which is exposed to air, it can spontaneously absorb water molecule. Another familiar compound that has the hygroscopic quality in sugar, sodium carbonate has a melting point 851 degrees centigrade and its density of 2.50 grams per centimeter cube and is soluble in water. The water soluble of soda ash has basic pH and a strong alkaline taste. When it is placed in slightly acidic medium, it decomposes and forms bubbles. This effect, called effervescence, is found in many commercial antacid products which use sodium carbonate as active irritant. Then uses of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is utilized by many industries during the manufacture of different products. The most significant user in the glass industry, which uses sodium carbonate to decompose silicates for glass making. The cosmetic industry uses for the manufacture of soap. The chemical industry uses as a precursor to numerous sodium containing reagents. Sodium bicarbonate is important in photography, the textile industry and water treatments. In addition to the industrial application, sodium carbonate is used in medicines and antacid. The next important compound, sodium chloride, that is the NaCl. The main source of sodium chloride is a sea water. Evaporation of seawater is the most common method to obtain sodium chloride. Crude sodium chloride is obtained by crystallization of Bren solution containing sodium sulfate, calcium chloride and magnesium chloride. To obtain pure sodium chloride, crude salt is dissolved in water and filtered to remove impurity. These are the crystallographic structures of the sodium chloride, and here the structure of crystal of sodium chloride. These are the red color, that is the sodium ions, and that is the green color, that is the Cl ions, and whole structures of the crystal structures of the sodium chloride. Then uses of sodium chloride. It is used as a common salt for domestic purpose. It is used for the preparation of Na2O2, NaOH and Na2CO3. That is a very important compounds. The sodium hydroxides, next important compounds, that is the sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is also known as lime and caustic soda. It is an inorganic compound with the formula NaOH. It is a white solid ionic compound consisting of sodium cation, that is the Na plus, and hydroxide anion, that is the OH minus. Sodium hydroxide was discovered by Humphrey Day, which is England in the year of 1807. The event or experiment that was used for this discovery is unknown. For quite a few years after its discovery, it was considered as elementary substance and was called as fixes of alkali. These are the sodium hydroxide. It is also known as caustic soda. Is an alkali salt which is also called as lye. It is common name of sodium hydroxide. The name is given due to corrosive nature of these salts on animals and plant tissue. It has a wide range of application. The chemical formula of the sodium hydroxide is NaOH. These are the three-dimensional structures of sodium hydroxide. Then physical properties of sodium hydroxide. The chemical formula NaOH, the molecular weight 14.01, the white caustic soda, caustic lead, its melting point 318.4 degrees centigrade, its boiling points 1319 degrees centigrade, its specific gravity 2.13. The solubility, the soluble in water, ethanol and glycerol, insoluble in acetone and ether. The general characteristics, white solid. Then another properties of the caustic soda, it is a white solid which has the melting point of 591 Kelvin. It is a stable compound. NaOH is a bitter and has soapy feel to it. It highly soluble in water and moderately soluble in alcohol. Sodium hydroxide is strongly alkaline in nature. The uses of the caustic soda, that is the NaOH, it is used as a glazing agents and it is a manufacture of washing soda. Sometimes sodium hydroxide is also used as a reagent in the laboratory. It is used in the preparation of soda lime. It is used in the extraction of aluminum by purifying bauxite. Thank you very much.